If you are interested in the intersection of art, artificial intelligence, and cryptocurrency, you might have heard of Turbo, a new memecoin that has taken the crypto world by storm. Turbo is the brainchild of Mankind, a digital artist who used chatgpt, an AI chatbot, to help him create the next great memecoin with a budget of only $69. In this video, I will explain how Mankind used chatgpt to design and launch Turbo, and what it means for the future of crypto art and meme culture. The origin of Turbo. Mankind is an NFT artist who has been creating digital art for several years. However, he noticed that the NFT market was experiencing a slump in 2023, and he wanted to try something different. He decided to use chatgpt, a chatbot powered by GPT-4, a natural language processing model that can generate coherent texts on various topics. Mankind asked chatgpt to help him make the next great memecoin with a budget of $69. He followed all the instructions that the chatbot gave him and documented the process on his Twitter account. He also involved his followers in some of the decisions by creating polls on Twitter. The first challenge that Mankind faced was that chatgpt was only trained on data up to 2021, and it did not have much knowledge about memecoins beyond Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. Moreover, it was not aware of the current state of the crypto market, which was much more bearish than in 2021. To overcome this challenge, Mankind taught ChatChat about some of the newer memecoins that were popular in 2023, such as Pipe, Wojak, and Suka. He also explained to it the tokenomics and community building techniques of these coins. He then asked ChatGPT to suggest some names for his memecoin. ChatGPT gave him a list of 10 possible names, and Mankind chose 4 of them to create a poll on Twitter. The 4 options were Hypound, Astrocorgi, Fomophline, and Turbotoad. His followers overwhelmingly voted for Turbotoad as the name of his memecoin. The next step was to create a logo and a mascot for Turbotoad. ChatGPT described the mascot as a futuristic toad named Quantum Leap. Mankind used Midjourney, an AI art generator, to create 4 different styles for Quantum Leap. He then posted another poll on Twitter and asked his followers to choose their favorite style. The winner was Style B, which featured a green toad with cybernetic enhancements. The development of Turbo. After deciding on the name and the logo of his memecoin, Mankind needed to write a white paper and a smart contract for Turbo. He had no coding experience, but he relied on ChatGPT to guide him through the process. ChatGPT helped him write a white paper that explained the vision and the features of Turbo. It also helped him write a smart contract in Solidity, the programming language for Ethereum-based tokens. Mankind followed all the instructions that ChatGPT gave him and managed to complete 75 of the smart contract in one day. However, he encountered some difficulties with some aspects of the code, such as auditing and testing. He asked his followers for help on Twitter and received some assistance from other developers who were interested in his project. A decentralized exchange platform, he had to deal with issues such as liquidity provision, slippage, and gas fees. He again consulted ChatGPT and his followers for advice and solutions. Finally, on May 1, 2023, Mankind announced that Turbo was live on Uniswap and invited his followers to buy and trade it. He also created a website and a Telegram group for Turbo enthusiasts. Success of Turbo. To his surprise and delight, Mankind's memecoin became an instant hit among crypto fans. Within days of its launch, Turbo reached a market cap of nearly $50 million used. It also attracted thousands of holders and community members who supported and promoted it. Mankind attributed the success of Turbo to several factors. The novelty and creativity of using AI to create a memecoin. The involvement and engagement of his followers throughout.